Happy snowy Saturday. How much snow do y'all got? Ooh, I got some. I slept in today. Well, of course, you know, I was up early this morning making cupcakes, so. Ray went to the store because they wanted some grinder salad, and of course, I didn't have any lunch meat and stuff, so we're gonna make grinder salad. And Jace, he's here in the kitchen with me, but he's helping clean, so. Alright, so we got some pepperoni, some turkey breast, ham, some hard salami, and provolone. Probably just do like half of a pack of each, so that way they have lunch meat also if they want a lunch meat sandwich. And Tori went to work. She's already back for the day, and then she goes back tomorrow. Daniel and Henry are out plowing. They left early this morning. Well, not early. I guess what, they leave around 8, 9, something like that. So. Let me go get a bowl and knife. Alright, so I'm just gonna chop up all the meat and the cheeses, and we'll get it in this bowl, and then I'll make the grinder sauce. Okay, I got all the meat and cheese chopped up. Now I'm gonna chop up these cucumbers. Alright, so cucumbers for me, I get tired of all the seeds, so I just like cut it all the sides down, and try not to get as much seeds, because I've eaten cucumbers so much in my life that I just get tired of all the seeds. And then sometimes I buy like the English cucumbers, but so I think Daniel's he's not plowing. I think he's just out salting, but he's still out there in this mess. And I hear I've been inspiring a lot of my friends and family lately, which is cool. Makes my heart happy. Not gonna lie, I got a little teary-eyed. But I love it. So get the cucumbers in there. And then, let's see, what else I do? I think I just need to make the sauce now. Oh, the lettuce. I don't put the lettuce in the salad anymore, because the last few times I've made it, we've learned that if we put it away and it sits, obviously the lettuce gets slimy and stuff, so it gets softer. So I chop the lettuce separately, and then they can just add to their salad as they eat it. That way it's crisp lettuce and an actual salad. And we put it on sub rolls. We usually get like the big loaf bread from Walmart and chop that up, or sub rolls, or sometimes I make the bread, which you're probably gonna get sick of seeing me because we're snowed in. I'll probably be making bread and cinnamon rolls and all the crazy things that these kids want, so they're gonna get sick of me, I'm just telling you. Alright, I'm gonna get the lettuce cut up. I always just take the outside parts off. Okay, for the dressing, we use real mayo. I just use the rest of this. Oh no, we'll stop there. If I need to make more, I will. It's red wine vinegar. Italian seasoning. Helps if I have it right. And let me get my pepperoncinis. Of course, only a few of us like these, so I'm just going to use the juice of the pepperoncinis. I usually slice them up and put it in mine. And Tori likes it. And then Tori and I like tomatoes and onions in ours also. But I won't put it in because we have picky. Well, Jace and Daniel aren't really picky. It's mainly Ray. But it's okay. And then we also like to put a little bit of sugar. That's probably too much. Just right at the level. This is a tablespoon. Just depends on how you just add to sorry, add to the thinner if you want it thinner. Just depends on your preferences. This is just how we do it. There's so many variations and ways to do this. And then let's see. I can show you how I mix it all together and how we put it on a sub. I am going to go ahead and add some salt and pepper. Alright, so Ray picked up some of these and this big old thing. I guess he thinks we're feeding the army. But it's okay, I told him to get it. It'll get eaten, so. But I think we'll do these real quick. Okay, I got a couple cut up or opened up. I'm gonna put some lettuce in here. We're gonna grab some of our meat and cheese and cucumber mixture. A little bit of everything in there. And then there's the sauce. Because it's a grinder salad, so it's usually all just mixed together. But I find it lasts a little longer if I do it like this and then make it as we go rather than letting it get all soggy and not very appetizing. And you just mix it all together. And that way too, you can get the amount of sauce that you want. If you need more, you just add more. And then we'll take it. Got fallen pieces. There you have it. It's a full sandwich. Oh, fly away cucumber. I know I'm all messy. But yeah, they're pretty good. See? Oh, I got all over my face now. This will be ready for whoever comes by. Whenever they get hungry, they can come make them a sandwich. So, there's my grinder salad. Like I said, I'm sure you'll see more of me throughout the day. So, don't get tired of me. See you later.